Hi, my name is Derek and I'm a scientist at TIC Gums. Often, I see food and beverage developers working to innovate their formulations to align with consumer demands for specific label claims. Whether it's the need for an organic label, a free-from, or even an ingredient substitution, formulators have their hands full protecting the integrity of their product. When formulating for dairy alternative products like non-dairy yogurt, questions left unanswered can complicate the formulating process. TIC Gums provides gum gurus like me to help make formulating simple for you. Often we get asked, can I use the same stabilizers for non-dairy yogurt that I use for dairy yogurt? I would recommend using a gum blend that is optimized for non-dairy yogurt like TIC Gums Simplistica YG3206. Some gums, like pectin, require calcium to gel, so you won't get the same texture for non-dairy yogurt as dairy yogurt. Whereas Simplistica YG3206 is designed to provide texture, structure, and protein fortification to match the protein content and eating experience of a standard dairy yogurt and a plant-based product. Plus, this system can be used with a wide variety of plant-based dairy alternatives while matching the sensory and nutritional content of a dairy yogurt. When formulating for yogurts, dairy or non-dairy, most developers ask, how do I prevent syneresis? It's important to avoid syneresis, also known as the extraction of liquids from a gel, when formulating non-dairy yogurts. Introducing hydrocolloid blends to your product allows you to take advantage of the functionality of gums that prevents key problems like syneresis. Agar, for example, acts as a gelling agent and provides a structure for liquids in your product. With this structure in place, the liquids remain evenly mixed in your product and avoid separating to the top. TIC Gums offers specialized gum blends for yogurts and non-dairy yogurts that include a starch like tapioca or corn, which when paired together, work to increase the structure that prohibits syneresis. In the end, formulators want a product that consumers will enjoy repeatedly. This means perfecting the label claims and textural attributes before your product hits store shelves. If you're asking, I don't like the texture I'm getting, what can I do? Don't worry, we're here to help. Texture in yogurt can be attributed to how your product is gelling. There's a variety of gelling gums you can use that will give different textures such as Agar, pectin, or Simplistica YG3206. If you're not sure which may be the best fit for your product, we recommend calling or chatting online with the Gum Guru, because we can make customized ingredient, usage level, and processing recommendations for you to use, based on your textural preferences and label claim needs like non-GMO, non-GMO project verified, organic, and vegan. Have any additional questions we didn't get to? Don't worry, we have gum gurus like me ready to chat online or take your calls. At TIC Gums, we're here to make formulating simple.